So you want to make money on YouTube. Some people think that getting monetized on YouTube is the end-all be-all for making money on YouTube. But what if I told you there was an even better way of making money and it didn't require any monetization? You in? Let's go. Affiliate programs are an easy way for YouTubers to make money. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the best affiliate programs for YouTubers. I have a video that's all about getting monetized on YouTube. And because of that video, I get all sorts of questions in my DMs and in my comments saying, how can I make money? And while monetization is important when you're first starting out, it shouldn't be the end all be all. There are actually way better ways to make money. And I talk about all of those in this video right here, where I talk about different ways to make money on your YouTube channel. But in this video specifically, I'm going to talk about one of the easiest, best ways, the number one thing you should be doing as soon as you start your channel, and that is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's products, and as a result of someone clicking on your link and purchasing that product, you get a commission. It's a very easy way for companies to promote their products and get the word out, because instead of them spending all this money on advertising and trying to find new buyers and find new people and get in front of all of these different people, instead they can have their affiliates do that for them. And hopefully the affiliates have very loyal communities, which means that anytime the affiliate mentions a product or talks about a product or recommends a product, their community is going to trust them and purchase through them. So for you as a YouTuber, this is one of the easiest ways to monetize your channel without monetization, because you most likely have an audience or you are growing an audience. And depending on what your channel is about, there's probably products that you use in making your channel or that you talk about on your channel. So as a result, it makes sense for you to be compensated by talking and promoting those products. And that's why affiliate marketing is so great, because no matter what your channel, you could be a finance channel, you can be a beauty channel, you can be a gaming channel, you can be a photography channel. There most likely are products that you use and you talk about either in making your videos or that you mention on your channel. So the way that affiliate marketing works is that you sign up for someone's affiliate program and then you get a unique link which you are supposed to use when you're talking about that product. Depending on how complicated the affiliate program is, this can just be one general link that goes to the website and they can purchase from there, or you can do product specific links where you can send someone directly to that exact product that you're talking about. These links have tracking cookies which tie back to you, so if someone does end up purchasing, then the affiliate knows that it came from you were the referrer, and you get a commission. Every program is different in how long this tracking cookie lasts. Some programs it's only for 24 hours and other programs are for as long as a year. Meaning that if someone clicked your link and they looked around and they didn't buy, but they came back 6 months later and then purchased that product, if the tracking cookie was enabled for a year, you still get credit for the sale and you get a commission. Every affiliate program is set up differently, so just make sure to read the terms and conditions. Here on my channel, I teach people how to use YouTube and video marketing to grow their business. So I use a variety of affiliate programs. I, of course, use the Amazon Associates program. I use TubeBuddy. I have links to Adobe because I use and recommend those products, and the list goes on and on, but they are very specific to me. So now let's jump into the best affiliate programs for YouTubers. Now I understand that YouTuber is an incredibly broad term. You could be a lifestyle YouTuber or a gaming YouTuber, and those are totally different. So I tried to pick affiliate programs that could apply to nearly anyone in any niche. However, not all of these may apply to you and your channel, but the majority of them do. So let's check it out. Now the very first affiliate program is Amazon Associates. Now there is a reason that this is the #1 affiliate program that I recommend, and that is because Amazon has everything. Everything. I've used Amazon affiliates for nearly 10 years at this point, and it's a very good, simple program. Their dashboard maybe isn't the best, but whatever, it works and they have a system that works. But one thing I will note is that they have different affiliate programs for different countries. So if I'm in the US, I have to sign up for the US affiliate program. Then if I have viewers in Canada and I want to use Amazon.ca links, I need to sign up for their affiliate program for Amazon.ca. So then the same thing for the UK and Germany and France and the Philippines and India. It's kind of a bummer you have to sign up for each of the individual affiliate programs, but I have a solution for you which will solve all of this. So the way that I fix this problem with having all of these different Amazon accounts for all these different countries is I use a company called Genius Link. And the great thing about Genius Link is that it takes all of your individual Amazon Associates accounts, one for US, UK, Australia, yada, 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 you get the picture, and it puts them in one account. It creates one master link, and then when someone clicks that link, depending on what country they're in, it will direct them to your affiliate link for that country. And so this is great because I don't have to create all of these different affiliate links for all of these different countries. Instead, I just have one link to rule them all.
One ring to rule them all.
If you're interested in checking out Amazon Associates and signing up, I have a link down below. If you recommend a lot of products on Amazon, Genius Link is a game saver. You absolutely need to sign up for this service because there are so many missed sales that you're probably missing out on because you're not forwarding to the right countries. So I have a link down below. They do have a free trial that you can check out. Now, the next type of affiliate programs that you can sign up for are for these marketplaces. So Amazon definitely is a marketplace, but it is just in its own tier. That's why I kept it separately. But there are other marketplaces out there that have a variety of products. For example, eBay and Etsy. eBay and Etsy each have their own affiliate programs. And if you are recommending a lot of products that are on these companies, then you'll definitely want to sign up for their affiliate programs. For example, if you have a channel all about Pokemon cards and you are always referring to eBay so people can buy their cards, you would definitely want to capitalize on that. And instead of just using a generic eBay link, you want to use your affiliate eBay link. That way, if they end up purchasing something on the site, let's say they spend $1,000 on a super rare holographic card, and as a commission, you would get paid a percentage of that. So if Etsy and eBay are big for your niche and for your channel, definitely sign up for their programs, links down below. Now, next up is the Shopify affiliate program. And you're probably like,
Shopify, really?
The reason I recommend Shopify is because everybody who has an e-commerce store uses Shopify. Not everybody, but basically everybody. Their platform is so easy, it's so simple, it's very affordable. So all sorts of people are creating their shops on Shopify. So all you have to do is sign up as a Shopify affiliate. Then any traffic that you direct to a Shopify site, you will get a commission for that. This is a great way for you to support products that are more small businesses because a lot of small businesses use Shopify shops versus Amazon, which is just this big multinational conglomerate at this point. So if you love shopping small and you recommend a lot of those products, then Shopify affiliates is the way to go. So the last type of affiliate program that I recommend are the affiliate networks. And these are really great because what they do, instead of you having to sign up for all of these individual affiliate networks, I have to sign up for Target, I have to sign up for Amazon, I have to sign up for Etsy, I have to sign up for eBay. The list can go on and on. That is a lot to manage and you may not have the time for that. So you can sign up for a network which basically houses all of the affiliate programs under one roof. There are quite a few of these, but the most common are Reward Style, Shop Style, and Share a Sale. Because of the breadth of stores and products that are included in these networks, I highly recommend signing up for them because it's just gonna make your life so much easier that you just have one affiliate portal you have to go to and you only get paid out one time versus signing up individually to potentially hundreds of different affiliates. The great thing is you could be referring sales from a variety of different companies and those all still count as your one payment threshold. So I know the next question you're asking, trust me, it's all about the money. How do you get paid? Every affiliate program is different in when they pay out, but typically most programs will pay out on a monthly basis. And depending on the program, there may be a threshold that you need to hit before they pay you out. Some programs you have to hit $100 in commissions before they will pay you out. I'll include links to all of these down below, but I want to talk a little bit more about Reward Style specifically because if you are a fashion blogger or more of a lifestyle blogger, this is definitely one that you want to sign up for, but it is invitation only, meaning that you have to have an existing member refer you. And however are you going to find an existing member?
Hey!
I am a member of Reward Style and I do think it is a fantastic network. I just love their system. I love their app. It's pretty simple. It's pretty painless. So if you actually want a referral, I actually can't just give you a link to sign up. I have to manually submit that, but I'll include a form in the description where you can submit your information. And once every few weeks, I will go through those and I will kick off the referral process. Now, one note about these affiliate networks, they do include Amazon in these affiliate networks, which is great. However, Amazon recently changed the way that they do their reporting for affiliates through these networks. So you no longer can see which products are the ones that people click if they're using your links from Reward Style, Shop Style, and Share a Sale. So all that you'll see in the dashboard is that someone bought something from Amazon and you got this payout. And this isn't helpful to me because I want to know specifically which products I'm recommending are doing well. So for me, even though I am a part of these networks, I still have a separate Amazon Associates account. And whenever I have an Amazon product, I use that account instead of this main account because I want to know specifically which products I'm recommending are actually selling. If you don't really care to have that visibility and having an extra affiliate program is too much of a hassle, then great, don't worry about it. Just sign up for the one account to rule them all. Using affiliate programs for your YouTube channel is an easy way to make money. You just include the links in your description and that way, anytime anyone's watching your videos, they can just click the link and purchase, and then a commission is coming your way. So I hope you have a better understanding about the best affiliate programs, not programmers. So I hope you now have a better understanding about the best affiliate programs for YouTubers. And of course, links to all of the different programs are down below. And of course, some of them may be affiliate links and I may get a commission for referring you. So thank you very much. But if you want to expand your money-making opportunities on YouTube beyond monetization and beyond affiliates, check out this video right here because I talk about even more ways that you can make money with YouTube. However, eBay and Etsy each $25. Is it $25? But the great thing is, no, not taking this call right now from Ohio. I use TubeBuddy, which is a TubeBuddy tool.